Hi again everybody, I'm Himali from Crafters Cafe Him. I invite you all to join me to my creative journey of journaling. Today I've bought a video tutorial of personalizing memories by scrapbooking photographs. This is what we are going to make. Before starting, I would like to say how scrapbooking and photo framing are different. In scrapbooking video, we will learn how to make a frame which is specially personalized for the photograph. Here, the whole scrap page layout says the story of the photo. This is a short and a quick video. If you're interested, send us a message on the number below or email us to get a free video tutorial link and be a part of our journaling community. Learn how to make frames, decors and embellishments according to your photographs and how to merge the background as one. See you all in the detailed video tutorial. Thank you.